lovely people, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. I've got my voice back. If you're a subscriber, you'll know I haven't had a voice for ages, so it feels so good to be filming and actually be able to speak. But welcome. This should be a really lovely, cozy video to snuggle up and watch, because I'm going to be making some autumn Halloween craft ideas. So you can get yourself a cup of tea, sit down with me and watch as I make all the things you can see in front of you. I'm going to be using my Cricut machine to do all of the crafts that you can see here. The machine I'm going to be using is the Cricut Joy, and I will link it in the description box below so you can have a look for yourself, and I'll talk you through how I DIY'd all of these cute little autumn Halloween bits and bobs. So yeah, get cozy, get under a blanket and enjoy. So the first thing I want to upcycle are these huge pumpkins I got from Asda years ago, and I love the size of them, but I don't really like the colour, and I especially don't like the writing on them, so I'm going to just spray paint them with this Rust-Oleum spray paint, which is a sort of rose gold colour. I'm going to give them a couple of coats and they should look like brand new pumpkins. And here they are. I'm really happy with how they've turned out. I really like the colour and the finish from the spray paint. Now I'm going to open up my Cricut app, and I've made some cute little polka dots which I want to put on the pumpkin. So I'm just going to put in some smart vinyl into my Cricut Joy and click cut on the app, and it's going to start cutting out my cute little polka dots, ready to decorate my first pumpkin. Now usually I would use transfer tape when sticking the smart vinyl onto a surface, but because the polka dots are random, I'm just going to peel them off and stick them on by hand, just trying to spread them out evenly across the pumpkin. They're sticking on really well, and there's no bubbles or bumps or anything, and it looks so cute. I'm so happy with how it's turned out. On the second pumpkin, I'm going to do exactly the same, except this time I have cut some star shapes using my Cricut Joy, and they look so cute. I love the polka dots and the stars together. Okay, my next upcycling project is this cute little mug. It's just a completely plain white mug, but I'm going to turn it into a Halloween mug using the Cricut app. I made this design last night, and all I need to do now is open it up and press go, and my Cricut Joy is going to start cutting. So I've got some letters. It's going to say hello pumpkin, and I'm also going to cut a couple of pumpkin shapes as well to put on the mug. I'm going to use the transfer tape because I want it to be really straight and I want all the letters to be in line. So I just cut out a bit of transfer tape, the right size for the first word, and I'm going to stick it on the transfer tape. I'm going to use the Cricut tool to press it down and make sure it's all stuck on well, peel it off, and here it is. And then I can use the transfer tape to make sure that I'm sticking the whole word on straight and all together, so it will look really, really great when I peel it off. And I've done exactly the same for the word pumpkin, so I can be really careful and steady and make sure I have the word exactly where I want it to be on the mug. And when I peel it off, as you can see, all the letters are stuck down onto the mug with no bubbles and no lumps. And I'm going to just do the same with my two little pumpkin shapes now, and I'm going to put those on either side of the mug as well. Guys, how cute is this? I am so happy with my little Halloween mug. I haven't found one that I really like in the shop, so to be able to make one yourself that you really love is such a cute little autumn project to do. Okay, next up, I'm going to turn this very ordinary plain candle into an autumn candle by using my Cricut Joy again. So I've chosen some cute little autumn leaves that I like. And all I need to do now is choose the colour Smart Vinyl. I'm going to go for gold, and then I'm going to ask the app to start cutting once the Smart Vinyl is in place. How cute does this candle look? I've been using the transfer tape to put the leaves on so that I get them nice and straight. I'm just going to put on the last one here. And there you go. This was just a neglected candle that was in my cupboard and not being used, and now it's been transformed into an adorable autumn candle that I will put in my home. Next up, I'm going to make some cute little treat bags for Halloween. I've got these completely plain paper bags, and I'm going to put some spooky faces on it using the smart vinyl and the Cricut Joy to turn them into some spooky little Halloween treat bags. I found these pumpkin faces on the Cricut app. There's this one, and then I'll show you doing another one as well. This one here, my son will love this one. Again, I just put it on the app, I click cut, and the Cricut Joy starts cutting out the shape. I'm doing this one by hand, but I do another one using the transfer tape as well, so you can see me do both. This one I'm just doing freehand to make the spooky face. How cute is this? Honestly, my son is going to love these on Halloween. And this adorable little cat face. As the cat face was cut in one piece, I'm going to use the transfer tape to make sure that it's all stuck down in the right places. And then I just slowly peel the transfer tape off to reveal a perfect little cat face. So one that's not too spooky. Maybe I'll give this one to my niece if she doesn't want a spooky one. But here you go. Here are all of my little DIY upcycling autumn crafts together. I'm so happy with all of them. I can't wait to put them around the home and to use them. Like I said, the machine that I used to do all of these crafts was the Cricut Joy that I have linked in the description box below, and I've been using smart vinyl to do all of these designs as well. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you lovely people in my next cozy autumn video.